I am uploading this video late, so sorry for that. And again, I want to tell you something, that is, if my subscribers are 700 or 900 or 800 within the 15 January 2021, then I will be announcing a giveaway. If you are interested in that, then go and hit the red button. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to tell you about the hidden features, not the hidden features, but you might don't know that the hidden features of MX Player. So if you want to know the hidden features of the MX Player, then you have to watch this full video. And if you are new to the channel, then go and press that red button, and without wasting time, let's get straight into it. So firstly, you have to open MX Player. Then after that, when you click in these three lines, you can see one thing, that is WhatsApp status saver, where if you click, then you can see that which videos have you watched in your WhatsApp status. Means if one friend of yours has given one WhatsApp status of video and you have watched the full video, then the video will be saved here. And if you want to download and if you want to share in your status, then you have to click in this download option, then it will be download, and if you have to click in this saved. And after that, when you click in this forward and click in the WhatsApp, then you can easily go and share in the WhatsApp status. So let's move to the next one. So then what you can do is you have to open again the MX Player. Then after opening, if you think that you have downloaded one audio or anything that you want to listen and you don't want to open the MX Player and you want to see or hear, and you want to close the MX Player and you want to listen and do another work in the phone, for that what you can do is, let's see. Then first I am opening one downloaded file with the MX Player. Then after that, if I now open from the MX Player, then you can see that the audio is playing. And after that, what you can do is press this pause button for a while, and then if you close, that will also play in the background. Let's see. You can see that this is playing in the background also. For this video, this much. I hope you like this video. So if you like today's video, then do not forget to like this video. Today's video's like target is only 15 likes. I hope you will make it. If you are new to the channel, then go and subscribe. So we will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.